Hello everyone, welcome here. In this lecture, you are going to learn box model in CSS. All HTML elements can be considered as boxes. How it would be? CSS box model, once you prepared a single box, so whichever the tag in HTML, you may try to apply to presentation a text or a data in a browser. So in CSS, the term box model is used when we taking about a design or a layout. It is a very simply use and apply for boxes to be wraps around on every HTML elements. It may be consisting of the properties, margins, border, padding, and actual content which we want to present inside the box. So the image below illustrates the box, how it is going to be representing. So we are seeing now the different parts of this box, content which we are going to be presenting a text. Padding clears area around the content. Padding is transparent. The border, how we are making a border around the content like it's a box. So the margins clears area outside the border, and the box model allows user to border around like making the elements, defining space between these elements. We are going to see one by one in a great example with div tag. So putting a div tag here and lorem a sample text I'll collect from this web. Let's check here, taking a div tag, and inside the div tag I'll take a sample text over here. So what I can call it as a sample text will be collected from lorem ipsum sample text. So you may open this website, see how much text you need, you will collect from here. It's a free text. Take a copy and paste inside a div tag. So save this. So here if I run this in output in our local, you will be see in this way. This is the paragraph, this is a hypertext like a h1 tag, and this is the box tag. So very clear. So now let's see one by one styles I am writing for this div element to making a box. So for this div, how I can present here using directly I'm writing the div, or else you may put like a class and all, write one by one all the things also. So here the background I'll take it is like a light cyan. We'll see how the color it would be. Wow, light cyan will take. Okay, so the div tag I am applied for background, it's a light cyan. One property I have applied. So the width I am fixing like width property I'm choosing around 300 px. The standardization of the width I am choosing SNR 300. Save it and refresh the page. See which are making into the part of this box. So the second property is also applied here. The third one I'm trying to putting a border for this particular area, which is the div tag we are used. So for this I can call it as border, and the border how much you need like solid or 1, 2 or anything. Maybe like I'm putting like a somewhat like a thickness of border I'm taking, and a solid will give you like a very clean thickness of a border, and the color is green I'm choosing. So refresh. Wow. So I may try to reduce this from 15 to 10. Let's save this and refresh the page. Wow, enough. So let me check. Yeah, it's 100% means this is the box very clearly. Okay, so like I'm making like increasing the visibility purpose only. I'm expanding into 125% of my web page. So you easily understand what it's happening. So now see, I'm applying the next property. It is a padding, which the padding you may give like 50, 30, 40, whatever it the value you require. I'm giving it like a 50 around. See the border to text, all the areas of surrounding, it's making a space. If you are giving 50, if you are giving 30, how you require your visibility, you may apply. See the 30. See the differences. Change the values with the particular, we can say that this property. Change the values and feel it, how you are comfortable to make the most boxes and designs. And this particular div element, one place of box you are design, if you want multiple, same class you may apply for all the divisions or like div boxes wherever you require entire the project. So once you are prepared how you require with all the facilities, the same class you may apply by putting inside the external class and you are calling. So how easy CSS. I really explaining you CSS and doing front-end design is very easy and very simple. What it is required here, your creativity is a point. How you are making a beautification by applying your creativity, sketching and applying like a visualization you are making here is an important here. By doing these, all the things are very simple. Whenever you are putting something interest enough. So the margin will help you to making outside the border, like gaps, like spaces. So refresh, see it is aligned from left to somewhat space, it is extent, it is moving into around right side. So these properties we have applied for to making a single box, which are not like feel good. If you want to put button, if you want to put image, whatever you require to put here inside the box, all like e-commerce portal sites, boxes are creating in this way only. I have added a simple text only. As you learned like previous lectures, which how to add any image by using image tag, you add an image at the top place and rest of text you may take and buttons you may add. So you were clear very clearly, one button, one box. So this box class only will apply for all the boxes, and so wherever in your project if box is displaying, you will be entire project will be looks like a same features. So how you will take a decision to making a box a beautification, it depends upon you. So try to practice yourself by putting these 4 properties. If you want to make it more shadow and all, yes, it is required to practice yourself. So making more grip, more confidence on while creating of this particular design shapes and beautification, you need to try yourself and apply over there. I'll catch you in the next lecture by making some more beautification of our CSS sites. Thank you.